In my many Baird meter presentations during the past 6 or 7 years, I have boasted that I could lift a Volkswagen automobile with a Kirby. But no one has ever offered the use of their car, even with a $1,000 bet.
Hey, Tom, I've got a Volkswagen.
Folks, this is John Lackner and the moment I've been waiting for. That's great, John. Where'd you get the VW?
Bill Arbeiter is driving his Volkswagen to work this week. I told him we wanted to borrow it for an hour or so.
That's great, John.
By the way, I've already alerted all the technicians, and all the equipment is ready to go.
Well then, let's proceed with Operation VW. Why don't you come along, folks?
Tom, we've got a serious problem. I've weighed each axle of the Volkswagen and the car is out of balance. Should we remove the motor?
No, John. Bill may show up. Let's go with the counterbalance as planned. Ladies and gentlemen, it seems there's a technical problem. The VW is rear-end heavy. We must balance the car. Our engineering group anticipated the problem and has already worked out the details for Plan X. Okay, men, let's put about 600 of those half-pound steel balls into the car. I apologize for the delay, folks. Ed Edinger, Vice President of Engineering, is now organizing a bucket brigade. Hundreds and hundreds of steel balls are being placed into the VW to balance the car. This is it. The moment of truth has arrived. Okay, men, let's go through the checklist. Benkowski?
Crane in position and ready.
Utajanis?
VW in position and ready.
Lackner?
Lifter in place and ready.
Eckes?
The Heritage 2 has gone through the normal 18 quality checks.
Lasevsky?
Heritage 2 in position and ready.
Edinger?
This car is full of balls, Tom.
Start the crane. I'll plug in the Kirby. Lackner, are we up to vacuum?
Vacuum is up and we're ready for lift.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. I told you it would work. There you are, Kirby dealers. A Volkswagen automobile and hundreds of those half-pound steel balls suspended in midair by the brute power of the Heritage 2 Kirby vacuum cleaner. Wow, what a sight!
Hey, Baird, I thought you wanted to buy my car just to give somebody a lift. How in the world did you get it up there?
It was simple, Bill. A special lifter powered by the Heritage 2. All I did was plug in the cord.
Give me that cord!
Don't pull that plug. Look out!
You are in a heap of trouble. What are we going to do now?
Bill, a little touch-up paint, a wax job, you'll never know the difference.
Listen, you're going to pay for every penny of this.
Pay for it? In that case, stand back. Let's plug it in and see what happens.
How in the world did you get that up there? Oh, nobody will ever believe it. I'm just flabbergasted. I don't believe it.
Bill, do you know anyone who would loan us a Greyhound bus for the '87 convention? We could do the lift with a helicopter. I figure we could put 60, 70 people in the bus. With a generator on the chopper, we could fly right over Lake Erie. Wouldn't that really be great?